If you're having trouble logging into ChatGPT, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get back into your account as quickly as possible. These solutions are simple, safe, and work for most common login problems, whether the issue is your password, browser data, VPN settings, or even the device you're using. Before we start, if this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. That really helps the channel and lets me know to make more videos like this. First, let's check the login details. This is the most basic step, but it's also one of the most common reasons people can't sign in. Go to the ChatGPT login page and carefully enter the email address and password linked to your account. Make sure there are no typos, no extra spaces, and that you're using the correct email. If you usually log in with Google, try selecting the Google sign-in option instead of typing your password manually. A lot of users forget that they originally created their account with a Google login, and that can cause a lot of confusion. If you still can't get in, try resetting your password. Look for the Forgot Password option, follow the reset instructions, and create a new password that you haven't used before. After that, go back and try logging in again. Sometimes a quick password reset is all it takes to solve the problem. Next, let's move on to clearing your browser cache and cookies. Old browser data can interfere with the login process and stop ChatGPT from signing in properly. To do this, open your browser settings, find the Privacy or History section, and clear the cache and cookies. Once that's done, close the browser completely and restart it. Then return to ChatGPT and try logging in again. This step is especially useful if the login page keeps loading, refreshes repeatedly, or shows unusual errors. Now let's check your VPN and network connection. In many cases, a VPN can block or trigger login problems because ChatGPT may detect unusual traffic or an unsupported location. If you're using a VPN, turn it off and try again. If that doesn't help, switch your internet connection. You can try a different Wi-Fi network or even use mobile data instead. Changing the network can often fix login blocking issues caused by a bad connection, IP restrictions, or temporary network errors. If the problem still isn't solved, try another browser or another device. Sometimes the issue is not with your account at all, but with the browser you're using. Open ChatGPT in Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or another updated browser and attempt to log in there. If you're on a computer, you can also try the mobile app. If you're on your phone, try a desktop browser instead. Testing on another device helps you figure out whether the issue is related to the account, the browser, or the device itself. At this point, one of these steps usually fixes the problem. If you were able to sign in, great, you're back in. If not, the issue may be related to temporary service problems, account verification, or a browser extension interfering with the login page. In that case, disabling extensions one by one can also help, especially ad blockers or privacy tools. To quickly recap, start by checking your login details, then clear cache and cookies, turn off any VPN, switch networks if needed, and try another browser or device. These steps solve most ChatGPT login problems without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick guides and easy fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.